Hi friends, we'll solve problem on projectile motion. Just see what is given in problem. The water sprinkler position at the base of a hill releases a stream of water with a velocity of 6 meter per second as shown. This is the base of hill. With this velocity u0 equal to 6 meters per second, the stream of water starts its motion and its angle is given as what? 50 degrees. Determine the point B xy, that means where this sprinkler or water strikes at B, its coordinates xy. Determine the point B xy where the water particle strikes the hill. Assume that the hill is defined by the equation y equal to 0.2 x square and neglect the size of the sprinkler. Now u0 is known, which is equal to 6 meters per second. First data what is given. Next one 50 degree, what is known is theta 0. Now using equation of path, unknowns are x and y, but as water strikes at B on this curved surface at B, equation of this path or hill is known, which is equal to y equal to 0.2 x square. That means at B what y distance will get and what x distance will get, you know relation between x and y. So using equation of path, if we substitute value of y in terms of x, then our equation will be in terms of only x. Solving this equation, solution is possible. Therefore, what data is given from that one, if we write now one by one, u0 is 6 meter per second, u0 is 6 meters per second, theta 0 angle of projection equal to what? 50 degrees. Relation between y and x is y equal to 0.2 x square. If we use equation of path is y equal to tan theta 0x minus, in numerator gx square, in denominator 2u0 square cos square theta 0. Y will substitute in terms of x and y is positive because final position is above initial position. Therefore, y equal to positive 0.2 x square. This angle theta is given to tan of theta 0 means 50 degree into x is unknown minus g is constant 9.81 into x square 2 into u0 is 6, so 6 square and then cos of 50 square. That means we are getting what here? So you are getting term of x square here, term of x and term of x square. That means if we cancel this x term, so what will get here? This x square, that means here one x gets cancelled and this x gets cancelled. You will not get quadratic equation also. What will get direct value of x is possible. That means if we take this term of x now here on left side, so what will get here on left side comes out to be 0.5297x and on right hand side tan 50 comes out to be 1.1917x, or rearranging the terms, here term of x on one side, constant term on another side, that means we will get distance x. If we find out using calculator, this one comes out to be 2.25 meters. So this is your first answer. As you know x, using this formula, simple formula of y, that is 0.2 x square. If we substitute here value of x, what we have calculated 2.25 meters, so it is 0.2 into 2.25 square. That means y value comes out to be, using calculator if we find out, it is 1.1012 meters. What is asked in problem? What are the x and y coordinates? That means for point B, final answer if you want to write, it is x and y. It's 2.25 and 1.1012 this much meters. These are the coordinates of given point where that particle or water particles strikes at point B. Thank you.